Welcome to my channel, my mathematics channel. My name is Shanique Allen. Today's topic will be on function, but we'll be doing a specific part which is evaluating a function. Okay, so I have a question here. So the question reads, if f of x is equal to 5x minus 2, find the values of, and they give you three things here. So we have the first one, f of 2, second one is f of negative 3, and the other one is f of 0. There's a fourth part to it as well, where they go ahead and say for what value of x is f of x is equal to 13. Alright, so let us start. So the first one now, all we have to do here is just go ahead and substitute. So I'll write my function, which is f of x, is equal to 5x minus 2. Now I need to substitute 2 in it. So I'll have my f of 2 here. So anywhere I see x in the function, I have to substitute the value 2 there. So I have 5, open bracket, 2, close bracket, minus 2. Okay? Now, we know from order of operation, we have to work this part first. So we're going to say 5 times 2, which is going to give us 10. Go ahead, minus the 2 as well. We are going to get 8 here. The next question now says f of negative 3. So now I'm going to go ahead and substitute my negative 3 in the function. Function is 5. It would be an x here, so now I'm going to substitute my negative 3 there. Then I'm going to go ahead and minus 2. Alright, so now I have 5 times negative 3, which is going to give me negative 15. Minus 2, so I have negative 15 minus 2, which is going to give us negative 17. Alright, so I want you to take a few minutes and do the other one. Take a minute, so you can just pause the video and then go ahead and do it. Alright. Alright, so I think we're back now. So this part now, which is the third one. So you have f of 0 here. So I'm going to do the same thing, substitute. So let's just check if you got your answer correct. So I'll have my 5, open bracket, 0 here, minus 2. Now, remember, anything we multiply by 0, we'll get 0 here. So we have 5 times 0 is 0, minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is going to give us negative 2. Good? For the last part now, you realize this says f of x is equal to 13. So now in this case, wherever we see f of x, we have to replace it with 13. So I'm just going to rewrite my function. So my function is f of x is equal to 5x minus 2. So wherever I see this, I have to replace it with 13. So I have 13 equal to 5x minus 2. So now I need to find the value of 2. So I'll carry over my 2 here because this is a negative now, so it's going to be positive. So I'll have 13 plus 2, which is going to give 5x there. Then this is going to give us 15. So we have 15 equal to 5x. But we still want the value of x. So this is multiplying the x, so we have to do the opposite of multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So we have to divide both sides by 5. That is gone. So we have 5 into this goes 3 times. So we have that is left. So therefore, x is equal to 3. So as legal statement you can write here is say hence. You can say hence f of x equal to 13 when x is equal to 3. Alright, good. Alright, so we're going to try another one. We're going to do one with a square. The same substitution. All we have to do is to substitute. So this question reads, if f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, determine the value of each of the following. So I'm going to go ahead and just substitute. So the first one is f of negative 3. So I write my f of negative 3. Oh, I didn't have to write it. I could just come down in line. That's fine. Equal to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Go ahead now. Everywhere we see an x, we have to substitute negative 3. So we'll have 2, open bracket, negative 3, close bracket, put my square, minus my 3, open bracket, because there's an x there, I'm going to substitute negative 3, plus my 1. Now, we have to do what is in the bracket first. We have to follow order of operation. So now we have to do this part. So our 2, open bracket, then we'll say negative 3 square. So negative 3 square is saying negative 3 times negative 3. So negative 3 square is going to give us 9. Minus, or we can just go ahead and just say negative 3 times our negative 3, which is going to give us positive 9 plus 1. We're going to have 2 times 9, which is going to give us 18, plus 9 plus 1. We can go ahead and just add all of these. So it's 18 plus 9 plus 1, which will give us 28. Alright, we can still write a statement for this one, because you're probably saying, how did we write a statement for the last one and we didn't do it for the first set? So I'll do a statement here. So all you have to do is just say hence. You're going to say hence f of negative 3 is 28. Alright. Alright, the next part now, we're going to continue to do this one. But you can try these two on your own, so you can pause the video for 2 minutes, a minute for each, and try them. Alright, I think everybody should be back now. So I'm just gonna put my function here. So it's gonna be 2. And remember, where we have x, we have to replace it with the number that is in the bracket. So we replace it with 0 there. Minus 3, open bracket, 0 here, plus 1. Go ahead now. So we know 0 times 0 is going to be 0 as well. So anything we multiply 0 by, it will get 0. So we have 0 minus 3 times, negative 3 times 0, which is going to give us 0 plus 1. So our answer here is only going to be 1. Okay, so we'll be just writing our function again, which is 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Alright, now we just need to substitute 2 wherever we see x. So now we have 2 open bracket, 2 close bracket square, minus 3 open bracket, 2 close bracket plus 1. Now we're going to work out what's in the bracket. So we have to multiply that, which is the 2 square. So we're going to write 2, and then 2 square give us 4, close bracket, minus 3 times 2, which is going to give us 6. All right? Plus our 1. Now we are going to have 2 times 4, which is going to give us 8. Minus our 6 plus our 1. Now we are going to say 8 minus 6, which is going to give us 2. then put the plus 1, which 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And for all of them, so this one is going to be hence f of 0 is, you can write equal, but is 1. Then here, I go ahead and write it over here as well. Hence, f of 2 is 3. And that's it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell for a notification when I update videos. And also make sure you like, share, and comment.